specified period. Tourists.
Why your heart I see? Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me? Too many twists and turns, yeah.
In Pearson. Good morning. Yes.
Take a left. Second number 2.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so I'm in Pearson Airport. It is so dead. Tired as hell. Okay, so I'm at the airport now. It was a very seamless checking in. I arrived at the airport. It was dead. Like, ain't nobody was there. It was a ghost town. The security, going through security was very fast and easy. It's just like your normal, typical get up and, go. Get up and go, check in. Yeah, nothing. The airport is dead. What is duty free? So far there. NASA. Okay, so I am boarding my plane. I'm so excited. Mobile, here I come.
For the specified period. Tourists should remain within their hotel or accommodation property. Business travelers should remain at their intended address while on the island, except when conducting their specific corporate transaction. Please take the necessary steps in keeping with the new COVID-19 travel protocols.
Hey guys, so I took up my camera again. I was supposed to vlog in the airport, but a whole bag of things was going on, and yeah, I just didn't. There's a lot of fuckery happen. So.
Where you go? All right, man, forward.
Is that the guy for the
No, it's for the wash.
Oh yeah, this is Bay, guys.
West side.
Oh, okay, whatever.
Bad man, come out now, man.
So this is Lucy. We're gonna go get some groceries, and I have to sort out my chip for my phone. This part is called seawall. Why they call it seawall? Well, obviously there's a sea and there's a wall, so it's called seawall.
Well, people call it seawall, but it's actually sea view drive.
Oh. Oh shit! There's a taxi man, but he didn't see me. Yeah. He's not gonna pick me up like that.
Mexican, I get full of money.
Them have to look for me good.
So, babe, let's see how I'm gonna do that.
What?
Cherry? Cherry, you say I'm gonna do that?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, babe.
Alright, Chinese out there.
Oh. She can't pick me up good.
Then girl, let's see her name blue?
Yeah.
Yeah, but another one that we talk.
Oh, like, yo, Lucy dead, babe. Lucy dead.
At this time, that's okay.
Oh shit, my uncle.
You see him? Like, you see, you know?
Yeah?
You know,
Like him see me.
looking in the car.
Like him see me. He know your car?
I guess he know me. You know, I just look. I don't know. Just a bit me out of change of the car and I'm the rims
Him
changed.
peeping over.
Man, look.
Him looking on your car.
That's why I'm saying no luggage there.
Yo. I don't think he can't pick me up good.
Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. Me know what you want and need. But no have up and squeeze. You used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up.